Hi, Paul Yanakis and Vinay Kumar from Harcourts, Wellington City. Welcome to 15A, the Quadrant in Miramar. Vinay, what have we got here?
Well, Paul, we've got a lovely 3-bedroom house with internal access garage. It's got 3 toilets, 2 bathrooms, very nicely appointed. It's one of those homes that you will absolutely fall in love the moment you see it. Let's go and check it out. Pretty sure you would have loved the video tour. For more information, give us a call, send us an email or send us a text, and we'd love to get you through. See you soon.